All right, it is 4 o'clock. It is January 10th, 2024. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. I think everybody had an awesome day here in the BYOB room. All right, so let's take a look at some charts. Let's take a look at SPY. All right, so here we are with S&P 500, S&P, SPY, and that's not what we want. And let's go look at this one over here. This one. All right, so on the daily chart, this is what we got. So on the daily chart, we got a higher low and a higher high, and we came up here and attacked those highs right there. And then we faded off the top of that. So there it is. We attacked those highs right there. Prior high right there. That was made on basically the end of December right there. So came up there, attacked the highs, and faded off. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI coming into the morning. So we'll see if they want to come back down here and test these lows, or if that's going to inspire the markets to shoot through and make an all-time high. I think we're headed for 500. We'll see what happens. Market didn't quite take out the high, so it's still in a downtrend. All right, for SPY. FNGU is still in an uptrend because it never made a lower low. Right there. FNGU, higher low, higher high. QQQ. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's doing the same thing. Got a 3/8 cross right there. Higher low, higher high. Still needs to take out that high up there because we had this low. So we'll see what happens with QQQ. IWM. IWM still in a downtrend. I don't know. It doesn't look good tomorrow. We'll see what happens. All right. We're still underneath this flag area right there. See the consolidation low? Well, we're underneath that now. So there's IWM on the daily chart. Still got a bearish 3/8 cross underneath the trend indicator, and price action closed underneath the 3/8 trap again for the second day in a row. All right, so let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow closing above the 3/8 trap, above the trend indicator, still in an uptrend, looking good for sure. All right, so there's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at USO. All right, USO coming back to attack the downtrend line. All right, couldn't quite make it, spiked it, and then faded all the way back down. So USO got a higher high and a lower low. Increased volatility breaking out in crude oil. Not looking good there. UNG. UNG pulled back, and I bought some at the $6 level right here. Right on top of minor support. So we'll see what happens there. You can see it coming back, testing the backside of this downtrend line. And I'm looking for a J hook to materialize right through here. So we'll see what happens with UNG. UNG still in a daily uptrend. Higher lows, definitely higher highs. Okay, so we did crude oil, silver, and gold. Silver, I picked up some silver right here at the 2090 level. Right there, picked up some silver. Right on this trend line right there. That would be diagonal support. As you map out this low, and this low, you got us visiting the low one more time. All right, silver still in an uptrend, hanging on by a thread. All they got to do is break this low, and they're in a downtrend. Right now, they're still in an uptrend. Got a higher low. Would have expected them to make the higher high. Couldn't quite get it done. I don't know who's got the sticky fingers going on here, but silver struggling to make that higher high and coming back to attack the lows again. Gotta say, it's looking like a head and shoulders pattern. There's your neckline. We'll see what happens there. Gold. All right, so here's gold. Second day in a row, closing below the uptrend line. So gold did make the higher high up here, just inked it out ever so slightly. You can see right there's the high from right there. And then we came in and made this high up here. So hopefully this is the higher low. We'll see what happens. This trend line may have to swing out a little bit. We'll see what happens. All right. So gold in an uptrend still. Long way before it breaks this low right through here. And that would be this low right there at 183.32. Okay, so let's take a look at the US dollar index. And where can I find that? Let's go take a look right here. US dollar index has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days closing. It's looking more and more like a bull flag, I gotta say. It's looking like it's going back to the flat 200. It's just hanging out up here. But we'll know tomorrow when CPI comes out. Definitely flush it one way or the other, either down or up. But this is the 6th day hanging out on the back outside of the downtrend line. Haven't quite broken any rubber band candles yet, but sure is hanging out here quite a long time. So the longer it hangs out here, the more likely it is to go higher. So we'll see what happens here with the US dollar. Like it to go down. If it goes down, the market goes up. So we'll see what happens. Economic calendar, big day is tomorrow. CPI 8:30 in the morning. Jobless claims 8:30 in the morning. That's the main event right there. And then comes the next main event the following day. And we've got, it's the wrong day. All right, we've got, well, it looks like United Healthcare just took over JP Morgan Chase. All right, so, all right, United Healthcare just got a bump. I don't know when, but $500 billion there for United Healthcare. All right, to report Friday morning. JP Morgan Chase, another $500 billion. Friday morning, Bank of America, $1/4 of $1 trillion. They're going to report Friday morning. 180, we'll just call it 179 billion. Wells Fargo, Friday morning. BlackRock, 118 billion, Friday morning. Citigroup, 102 billion, Friday morning. Bank of New York, 40 billion. Whole lot of financials going to report Friday morning. So hopefully we can keep that XLF back on track. All right, so that's it, traders. See y'all tomorrow morning. All right, 8:30. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Don't forget, tomorrow we got a webinar for the members. Sorry, trial members, but it's a members-only webinar. But that's the benefits of being a member. All right, you get to come to our meetings where I'm going to do a presentation, Rick's going to do a presentation, and Doug's going to do a presentation, all on the same product, actually strategy. And what is that strategy? Going to go run back, take a look here, and see if I can find it. And I'll know in just a second. And the topic is support and resistance for trading success. All right, there you go. That's going to be our webinar for tomorrow. All right, everybody have a wonderful evening. See you at 8 o'clock in the morning. I know y'all made money today. All right, that was awesome. I'm glad you made money today. I'm happy you made money today. Great success today playing that 10-minute uptrend. Congrats to all that made money, everybody. Yeah, the time for the presentation tomorrow is going to start, I think, at 11. No, it's going to start at noon. Noon is Doug, and then I'm going to be on at 1, and then Rick's going to come in and wrap it up at 2. All right? All right, that's for the members, Judy. Hope to see you there. All right. All right. Hey, I like that, Tex. I like that. Thanks. I know y'all made money today. All right. Got to be green. Isn't it nice to be green? Everybody have a great day. Bye.